Greetings, Earthlings! Today we're looking at some exclusive Marvel Legends.
Walgreens Exclusive Jigsaw.
Flashback Fridays.
Special thanks to producer Master Hunter Payson for providing us with this figure. Wow, this guy comes with a lot of weapons. Oops. I like to open boxes from the bottom. I think it's easier. I remember someone commented once and they're like, "Why are you doing that?" Sometimes from the bottom it's okay, but like I ripped this little tab here and then I feel sadness. All right. All right, look at all these weapons. Wow, even some firing the gun effects and some smoking gun effects. Some machete. Here's a baseball bat. Here we've got some daggers. Look at this little double-barreled sawed-off shotgun. Comes with these two firing effects. It looks like you can only put on one at a time. That's okay. And then it also comes with two smoking effects after you fired them one at a time. You might be able to fit both smoking ones on because they don't have this little like. So we were unable to put in both firing effects in at the same time, but you can have one barrel firing and one barrel smoking. All right, and here is Jigsaw himself. He has got a face that has seen some stuff. And he's got no alt hands, but it looks like these hands can hold all his weapons. So that's cool. He doesn't need to do anything else. So his head moves left to right. Not really much up-down motion or other ways. His arm bends about 90 degrees, just like, let's see. Yeah, just like the Charles Xavier and Hammerhead figures, his ab crunch is inhibited by his vest and jacket. His knees, again, about 90 degrees. It's broken. No. His foot rotates in various directions, probably the most flexible part of his body. This is him next to Punisher. This is him next to Daredevil. He's getting a new show. This is him next to Bullseye. This is him next to Elektra. So that's that, the Marvel Legends Walgreens Exclusive Jigsaw. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, and follow us on Instagram at TR4K Alliance, TR4K Academy, and Intelligencia of TR4K. And check back later for even more unboxing videos. Until next time, Earthlings! Do you want to play a game?